everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova try-on haul. And before we get started, I have something really exciting to share with you guys. So right now, Fashion Nova is having one of their biggest sales of the year. You can get anywhere from 50 to 80% off the entire site. It is going to be so good, and you guys can get some really awesome things for a super affordable price. So I'm gonna link everything you need to know right down below. I'll have every link you need, just so that way you guys can take advantage of that. So here are some items that I've personally picked that I think you guys should pick up during the sale. The first thing is this pair of boots. I recently wore an outfit. Actually, I'll show you guys the whole outfit. Anything that I've worn in an Instagram photo, I will just insert a photo of me wearing it. I actually posted a reel, and I posted like a video, and I also posted a photo in this outfit because I thought it was so cute. I have this little skirt. I felt very Blair Waldorf in this outfit. Then I have this turtleneck that I paired with it, which this I feel like is such a staple. Like, I'm gonna wear this all the time. I love a good turtleneck. It's like my uniform in the winter. It's just like a turtleneck, a nice pair of pants, or like a cute skirt, and just boots. It's really basic, but it's so good. And this one is like a really nice ribbed kind of stretchy material. It's really like good quality, pretty thick, but like breathable. And the skirt's really cute, and the skirt's actually super comfortable. Usually these kind of like little pleated skirts are not so comfy, but this one's actually a little bit stretchy, which I like, but you can't tell. Like, the material doesn't look tacky, which is also great. And then these boots, like, everybody's been asking me where I got these boots from, and they're Fashion Nova. They're so comfortable, they're so cute, they look like real leather. They're by the brand Bamboo, which is actually a pretty good brand. I didn't even know they sold this on Fashion Nova. So these are really cute, and I'm obsessed with these. I feel like these are such a good, like, simple, classy kind of boot for the winter. Like, if you want to go out, I feel like these are the perfect boot to pair, like, again, a little skirt, even a pair of jeans, anything. Like, they're just so simple and cute. And I got them in a size 10 because of the pointed toe. I always like do one size up. I'm usually like a 9.5, sometimes 10, and they fit perfect. I'm obsessed. The only thing is they're a little bit loose in the calf, but I feel like that's kind of the look, so it's not that big of a deal. Next, I got another pair of pants that I've already worn in a photo, and I've actually worn these in 2 photos. I've been really wearing these like out a lot. I've worn these casually, like during the day, and I've also worn them at night, and I really like these. I think they're actually super flattering, and they're so comfortable. And I was looking for a pair of like trouser pants that I could wear not in a formal way, like something more fun, like for either going out at night with a cute top, or during the day with a cardigan, and I'll insert the photos of myself wearing them. But I have been loving these. I've worn these with like loafers and cute socks, but I've also worn these with like super chunky, like thick heels, and I've posted quite a few TikToks. Oh my god, my stupid phone. Of that, so I will link that down below as well, so you guys can kind of see how I style these. But I've been really liking these. These are awesome. They're so flattering, and yeah, I just really have been loving these. They're honestly really good quality as well, and they look really chic, so highly recommend picking those up. My next favorite thing is, again, something that I've worn multiple times that I get a lot of questions about in person and online. You guys have been wondering about my like matrix coat, my leather trench. My friend actually calls it my matrix coat, and it's so cute. This is I got this in a size large, so it'd be oversized. I'm obsessed. It's like a really long leather trench coat, and the only thing is it smells like fake leather, so I've been trying to like let it kind of air out. But besides that, this thing is flawless. Like, it's such a great coat. It's been my go-to for going out. I feel like it kind of pulls together every outfit and makes it just look a little bit more chic and put together. I feel like I used to really love like shorter, like smaller, more fitted leather jackets, and now I'm way more into the oversized look. I would even throw this over like this little gray sweatsuit that I have on right now, and wear that with like a pair of sneakers or boots or whatever, and I still think that would look good. I've thrown this over that pair of black trousers and like a cute little top and worn that out like for dinner. I've worn it with I think like a dress as well. I just think it's really cute. I really love this, and it looks really expensive, and like I said, it really pulls every look together, and I've really been loving this. I feel like this is such a good staple. You guys should really pick this up. Perfect for the fall and winter, especially if you live somewhere that's like doesn't get as cold. It still keeps you like nice and warm, but it's obviously not like a puffer or anything, so you know. Then I got this cute little dress. This is like a turtleneck but tank top version, but I really liked the details on the side. Like the arm cutouts are kind of lower, so it's a little bit more sexy even though it's a turtleneck. It like shows your outline of your chest a little bit, like your arms, and the silhouette of it is really flattering as well. Like the actual dress itself really shapes your body, and I think it's really pretty, and it's sexy without being revealing. So I really like it. It's a nice length as well. Even with those boots that I showed would be a really cute look. Or if you want to do it more casually, like throw a flannel on with it, or like a jacket and some chunky boots or like Doc Martens or something, would be super cute. But yeah, I really like this dress. I feel like this is a good like fall and winter and like holiday season kind of staple, and I'm pretty sure they had other colors. This is actually from their Fashion Nova vintage line. This is called the Nikki turtleneck mini dress. Oh, that's funny. It was made for me, although Nikki spelled with 2 K's and not CK, but whatever, who cares. But yeah, I really like this dress. It's super cute. The quality also feels really nice, and that probably kind of explains why it also fits so well and looks so flattering on, because the quality is pretty great. Then I have these pants, which I've also recently posted a video. I think I posted TikTok in these, and a lot of you guys were asking about these pants in some photos that I posted, and I really like these. They're just like cute leather pants, and they have this like crisscross detailing in the front. I find that this crisscross detailing is really flattering, and Fashion Nova's been doing a lot of pants like this. It's like a really trendy kind of style right now, and I really like it. I think it creates more of like an hourglass figure, and I have wider hips, so it like really accentuates my hips and my waist. These again like look pretty nice when you wear them. In my opinion, they're more of like a dressy pant, but you could dress these down if you really wanted to. I would wear these with like a cute little like sheer blouse or a bodysuit or something, and just like a pair of simple heels, and you're good to go. Like super cute, kind of like a statement pant, but also without being like too much. Still keeping it neutral. These are really cute. Then I got this little like corset top. It's like a little faux leather corset top, and which way is the top part? It goes like this. It's like this really nice orangey brownish leather color. I screwed up though. I got a medium, and I thought I would be I'm usually a medium in Fashion Nova. Like I can be a small in certain tops, but when it comes to pants and stuff, I'm usually a medium. Sometimes I'm even a large, and so I like to have things, I'd rather have it be like a little bit bigger and then I can shrink it or something than have it not fit. But with this, unfortunately, like with corsets, I really like them to like cinch me in. This is like a loose fitting corset, so it kind of defeats the purpose like a little bit. I could wear this, I know it sounds stupid, but like if your job is not on Instagram, then you'd be like, well, that's dumb. But for me, like I could wear this for a photo and like clamp it in the back so that way it's tighter. But if we're talking day to day, it's just a little bit big when it comes to how I like a corset to fit, because I feel like the whole point is to like cinch in your waist, and unfortunately I ordered a size too big, but you know, I'm flattered that I need a size smaller. Guess that means I'm a little snatched. Just kidding. But here is another cute item that is actually inside out because I just wore it. I wore this to my friend's Friendsgiving. So my friend Mariana had a little Friendsgiving at her house, and I wore this with a skirt. I'll insert a photo. I wore this sweater with a skirt and like knee-high little sheer socks and loafers. And then after dinner, it was still super cute like to wear this sweater. I changed into like thick chunky wool socks and a pair of black leggings, and it was still such a cute little like festive holiday outfit. So this sweater can definitely be dressed up or down. It looks like a blob, like it's a huge oversized knit sweater. I don't even remember what size I got. I got a medium. This is a freaking medium. This thing, just so you know, if you order this sweater, it runs big. Normally in like these kinds of sweaters I would have gotten a large, so I'm glad I got a medium. This thing's huge, but it's so cozy. This is like such a good fall and winter sweater, and it's not scratchy or itchy or anything. It's really, really comfy, and it looks good with like a cute little skirt underneath, or even like a pair of like trouser shorts or something, or like a pair of I think houndstooth pants would be cute or something like that, little trousers and loafers, or it'd be cute like just casually with leggings, or a pair of like loose fitting knitted pants would be pretty. So yeah, that's a good little staple sweater, and can't go wrong. It's like such a good little fall staple. And then lastly, I have these brown pants. These are kind of random, but like I've been really into brown lately. I feel like it's the color of the season for some reason. That was not meant to rhyme, by the way. But brown, like, I feel like it's just my color recently. So these have that same little like crisscross detail situation that I've really been liking in the other leather pants that I showed you guys. These I also just wore. I went to drinks for like a little Sunday fun day with some girlfriends, and I wore these with just like a simple tank top and boots. I wore these with a simple tank top and boots and a cute bag, and they were so comfy and I feel like so flattering. So I'll insert a photo of that. You can honestly also wear these more dressy if you wanted to throw on a pair of heels with them. I wore these during the day, but I would totally still wear these at night. And yeah, I really, really like these. I like the color. I think it's different, and they're still kind of like, they're like a jean, like they're denim material, but they are a cool color. Remember guys when Delia's colored denim, colored skinny jeans were a thing? I don't know if any of you guys are old enough to remember that, but that was my childhood. Colored skinny jeans in like turquoise and red, like those were the shit. So I guess that's like the modern day take on that. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just realized this tripod has been attached to my bedpost from me filming content for something this morning, this whole entire video, so love that. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to shop the Fashion Nova sale. I will link everything you need to know down below. I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.